Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to protect and lock cells in Google Sheets on the desktop web interface. Select the cells you want to protect. Click and drag across the cells to highlight them. You can select a single cell, a range, an entire row or column, or even multiple separate areas. Once you've selected them, you'll see a blue border around your selection. Next, open the Protection panel. Click on Data in the top menu bar, then click Protect Sheets and Ranges. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen, titled Protected Sheets and Ranges. In that sidebar, you'll see an Add a Sheet or Range button if you're starting fresh. Click it. The panel will expand and show a text field with your selected range already filled in, something like A1 to B10. If you want, you can add a description here to help you remember what this protection is for. Range is selected at the top of the protection settings by default, since you highlighted specific cells. The range field will stay visible, showing your selection. Now click the Set Permissions button. It's in the sidebar below the range field. A dialog box called Range Editing Permissions will pop up. In this dialog, you'll see two options. The first is Show a warning when editing this range, and the second is Restrict who can edit this range. If you choose the warning option, people can still edit the cells, but they'll get a confirmation prompt first. If you choose Restrict, you can block edits completely. For full protection, select Restrict who can edit this range. Once you've selected that, you'll see permission levels appear below it. Choose from Only You, Only Domain if you're using a work or school account, or Custom if you want to add specific people by email. Only You means just you and the spreadsheet owner can edit these cells. If you pick Custom, you can type in email addresses of people who should have access. Finally, click Done at the bottom of the dialog. The dialog will close and you'll be back at your spreadsheet. Your protected range will now appear in the Protected Sheets and Ranges sidebar with a lock icon next to it. Here are a few things that will help you going forward. If you want to see which cells are protected at a glance, click View in the top menu, then Show, then Protected Ranges. This adds a striped background pattern over any protected cells so they're easy to spot. When someone without permission tries to edit a protected cell, they'll see a pop-up saying, "This cell is protected," with a prompt to contact you. If you ever need to remove the protection, go back to Data Protect Sheets and Ranges, find your protected range in the sidebar list, and click the trash icon next to it. That's how to protect and lock cells in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.